You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at the M3 Pocket. It's a handheld with 30 built-in games. It's not a lot, but what you're getting are quite interesting games. The Pop Ball, Win or Lose, Zippy Frog, Bum Bop, The Lost World, and nothing to do with Jurassic Park, The Hero Legend, Jump Frog. You know, is it really going to be interesting? That is of course the reason why I'm going to be reviewing this. I've bought it for €5. He was asking 6 or 7 euros for it, or 7 euros, but I wiggled the price down to 5. And yep, I just wanted to check it out for here on the channel. There were a couple of colors. I think it was red, blue and the green one. And these it comes with an TV out functionality. The box itself, I can tell you that I was quite intrigued by it, because this is a similar box of the Ed Game Systems. Yeah, this comes with some random crap on here. And the handheld is something that we have seen before when it comes to, let's say, different devices. It's not a shell that we have found with, let's say, the European release devices. This is more like a Chinese product. The sticker is still crooked on there, but it seems to be this thing has never been powered on. So that's what we're going to do, or at least there is a scratch on there. So I'm guessing it seems to be that it is already like powered on some time ago. The configuration of the controls is going to be AB Turbo, having over here start and pause, reset, and yeah, the D-pad are just 4 separate buttons. The on-off switch, we're having 2 jacks out, a mini one and a bigger one. And let's see which one is going to be for the AV out. It's going to be the tiny one over here. Okay, so battery compartment with 3 batteries, and we're going to be needing the AAA. Volume control, and that's actually it. So let's get ourselves some batteries and let's plug this thing in. And ooh, look at this. This is some serious manuals. No toilet paper stuff, but let's see, there are 3 of them. Is this different languages, or there's nothing indicated on that? Oh, here we're going to have the opmerkingen batterijgebruik, oftewel the Dutch language. Okay, quite a nice explanation. Let's see which language this is. User, it is English. No, I think this is in Spanish or something like that. So they have all kinds of different manuals. Okay, this is the German one. Wow, seriously, they did some really nice attempts on this, like getting some good manuals. Explanation how everything works, what and how. We're going to be plugging this in the television to see if this is actually any good. But so far I can see you have it as a stable, like say overall, let's say, information about everything. Also troubleshooting and all the kinds of stuff. And of course some overview of all of the games. And Pinball Fish, some of them look kind of cool. Let's see, we're having Jewel Master 2. And yeah, even though there are not like a lot of games, there are like clone games from games that I already know of. Think about Alleyway, Zuma Deluxe, I think it's called. They're kind of cool ones, but the question remains, are these like 8-bit or like 16-bit stuff? Or like clones of the Flash games? Doesn't matter. Let's power it on, because oh boy, I'm excited. Yeah. Alright, so we've slapped in some batteries. Oh yeah, mixing the batteries. I couldn't find a third one. But let's power it on and let's see what we're having, because the VS Power Plus Edition 31. That's interesting, because the box didn't state any information about this. This is the Plus Edition. Pressing the A button will give you the menu. Oh, okay. Okay, that's the maximum volume, so let's keep it to that. No numbering whatsoever. Pool Pro, Bussy Pong. Okay, so let's just randomly go to another page. That's also kind of funny. So when pressing left and right, that doesn't do anything. But you need to go up, need to press again to go into the next page. Yeah, that just makes no sense. Pinball Fish. Alright, so here we're getting some action going on. So graphical wise, this looks kind of good. Like it's more like the... Man, nice sound effects. Oh. There is no way of speeding this up. I must say that the graphical, I must say, I'm quite impressed with this. The games in general are not super bad. It's more like an Alleyway clone. But another thing also is when it comes to the display, you can just see that it does have a very good, let's say, overall, let's say display in here. So that's absolutely great. We do have some back bleeding going on. You can just especially see when you're holding it to a certain point. But yeah, I'm surprised. So let's reset it. I find it quite surprising that there is now actually let's say background music on here. So we have Jewel Fever 2. I didn't see any Jewel Fever 1, but let's see what we're having with Jewel Fever. So animations are kind of cool. Is this a puzzle bubble or something? Oh, oh no. Oh, this is really cool. These are like the games that we've... Oh, I can't remember it anymore. There is this game on the Neo Geo engine, Magical something. This, let me know in the comments. It's absolutely a very fun game to play. You know, these are the games I can really enjoy myself with. There we go. And of course it's getting more and more difficult. Okay. Well, the other thing I also noticed that this thing has a very smooth over experience when it comes to the games. The downside is there is no, like so far we have seen 2 games where none of them have any background music. So that is a little bit of a downside. This is Plumber. The sound effects of this. I have no idea what I need to. Do I need to throw like my tools against something? Oh no, we have this. This is like an adventure game. Wow. Oh crap, I threw something away. Ooh. But the games in general are not absolutely bad. Wow. This stage is quite massive. And again, it's weird that we have no, like, any background music. This is Zuma Deluxe. Oh, absolutely. I don't know if this game is called differently. Hey! Oh, was there ever background music? But no, not at all. Oh man. So the games that we have tested out so far are not bad at all, on and off. Okay, I'm guessing I need to switch stuff to combine. I have no idea what to do with this. I didn't check the manual for that. Quick move. And we have all kinds of weird stuff. What is this all about? Okay. Well, it's kind of funny. So we need to press the button when the ball basically comes down. Can we launch it? No, it's kind of funny. When it's basically running over, you cannot do anything. And I'm guessing like the stages after that's getting more difficult and... Okay, some games are quite interesting. So when you're looking actually at this device itself, like it has a lot of potential. But nowadays we're having all kinds of weird, let's say, games on these like arcade machines. Oh, this is just a Pang clone. And we do have a background music now. Wow. And I was thinking we had like every single game without a background song, but there we go. This is just pure arcade games. They should like use these on more of those mini arcade machines. What the heck? The Lost World. You know, and this machine is absolutely filled with those like crazy things. I have no idea what the point of this is. I'm guessing you need to go up, avoid everybody, and just go on the trees or the... Oh yeah, that's it. You just need to go certain points of the level and just scroll through here. Okay. What the heck is going on? Why can't I go any further here? What the heck is going on over here? Okay, so next up let's try the AV out function, and I'm quite surprised how good it actually works. This works even better than most AliExpress, let's say $20, $30, like say handheld with like a lot of shenanigans. Even the connections on this thing is absolutely solid. But yeah, you can just actually play this thing on your television, and on LCD display the overall quality it's okay. Oh, there we go, we can play some pool. Hoppa! Nice sound effects. But yeah, this works quite good. And this thing has absolutely a lot of potential. Let's see how I can move it. I can even move it a little bit further. So let's say I'm going to be taking the shot. Oh crap. I'm quite surprised over how everything works. It's kind of cool. The Mr. Pocket. Let's rip this thing apart. That's one of the things I always love to do. And I know a lot of you love seeing me ripping stuff apart. So let's do just that. So when it comes to these devices, they're not very difficult to basically tear down. The only thing you need to do is removing a couple of screws, and we can just actually get into the machine. I do wonder if we can find some information about the production date and where does this thing actually been manufactured. I'm guessing China, but again, we never know. Sometimes you would be surprised. I think it's absolutely a great, let's say, piece of technology if you ask me. It's not like the best overall, let's say, mini handheld. We have so many different solutions. Where I paid not a lot of money for this is absolutely cool. Okay, so in here we're finding not a lot of information because everything has been, let's say, put there with a lot of blobs. Yeah, everything, including the chip itself. So that is quite unfortunate. You can see they did an amazing job with the overall, let's say, assembly of this. Because of they even implemented some extra, let's say, glue to protect the connection so nothing can be basically break down or like rip off. So that's kind of nice, to be honest. 2007. So that's actually that is when the thing was made. Whoa, this thing is like old school, man. 2007. We can replace the LCD if needed. There's a lot of capacitors in it. There's something you don't see very often nowadays. But yeah, beside that, there's not a lot of much to see. So let's pull it back together. Let's be very gentle about putting this together. We need to put all the cables in the right position. That is always like a thing. Okay. Oh, I need to put this thing in. But beside that, let's put it back together. And let's look at my screw because I dropped one, like always. So when it comes to this M3 Pocket Plus Edition or VS Power or whatever, it's kind of weird that it's called VS Power Plus because you cannot connect it with another device. The overall games are kind of cool. Yeah, we have so many different handhelds nowadays to play, but I think if you want to have it, to give it to somebody or just want to have some basic games for people who don't really play a lot of games, they're a lot of fun to play. And they seem to be working just fine, all the ones I have actually tried out. So far, yeah, we don't have like familiar titles, but everything that I'm trying to be playing on this seems to be working just fine. Thank you all for watching, consider subscribing and hit that little bell, and it would be great to see you in the next video.